Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to get your Venmo statements in 2025. Whether you're keeping tabs on your spending, preparing for taxes, or just staying organized, having access to these statements is a game changer. I'll walk you through the steps quickly and easily, so you can do this in no time. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Venmo app installed on your phone or open the website on your computer. This is crucial because Venmo has rolled out some updates in 2025 for better security and user experience. Once you're ready, log in with your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which I highly recommend, you'll get a verification code on your phone. Now, head over to the main menu. In the app, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top corner, or on the website, click the profile icon. From there, select Settings or Account Settings. Look for the section labeled Activity or Statements. It's usually under Financial Tools. Once you're in, you'll see an option to view or download your transaction history. Next, choose the date range for the statements you need. Venmo makes this simple. You can select custom periods, like the last month or the entire year. For 2025, they've added a new feature where you can filter by transaction type, such as payments, requests, or refunds, which is awesome for detailed tracking. Hit the Download button, and your statement will be generated as a PDF file. It might take a few seconds, so be patient. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like the download not working, double-check that your app is updated or try clearing your cache. Also, if you're using this for taxes, make sure to save the file securely. And there you have it. You're all set to get your Venmo statements in 2025. This process is straightforward and helps you stay on top of your finances. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.